Welcome back. Thanks for tuning in today. You've tuned in to Tiffany Baby TV. If you're new to my channel, thanks for joining us. I hope that you'll hit that subscribe button. If you're a regular, welcome back, sis. How you doing today? I have a new unit that I'm going to be installing for you today. I have a human hair unit from Amazon. Here is what she looks like. As you can see, I've already done some work, pre-styled this on my mannequin. This unit is 14 inches long, 100% human hair. It is on a frontal. Here is her cap construction. She has 3 combs, 2 on the temples, 1 in the back. And she also has your adjustable straps. The hairline did come pre-plucked, but I've done some additional tweezing. I will leave some photos as to what she looked like directly out of the package. The hairline did not look bad at all, you guys. It looked really good. So as I'm getting ready to put this under my head, I realized that this is actually a 360 cap, you guys. There's lace all around the perimeter of the hairline, and there's also a small amount of lace underneath, so you will get a scalp-like look if you were to wear this up in a high ponytail. I haven't even told you about the best part of this unit, and the best part is how much I paid for this, you guys. I paid $39.28 for this unit. Do you want to know how I did it? Because you can do it too. It's not a YouTuber exclusive. Watch me work. So once I put it on, I realized that it would probably look best if I did the full bald cap, so that's what I went ahead and did. I started that process. This is going to take a few minutes to dry. I'm going to rebeat my face. This was just running errand makeup, so I'll be right back with you guys. I'm going to be installing this using some Ghost Bond glue. Alright friends, so I am back with the final reveal. I finished my makeup, tied this down, laid my edges. And here is what she's looking like. I skipped the baby hairs on this one. I'm going to add a little bit of water to her so you can see what she looks like when she's wet down. This hair is so soft, it is so curly, it's so natural feeling. I love the texture of the hair itself. I think this is absolutely gorgeous. Yes, this gets the absolutely gorgeous seal of approval. This hair does comb through easily. I am using a wide tooth comb. I would not recommend a smaller comb for something with this type of texture. I'm not getting any shedding. You guys, I'm not getting any negatives about this unit, period. This thing is bomb. And for less than what I paid for some of my synthetic units, I swear, this is the holy grail. Thank you. Thank you. So let me tell you a little bit about how I got this unit for this price. So I am a member of a group on Facebook. The group is called $20 and Under Deals and Codes. This is what it looks like if you're looking for it. You guys, you can get everything that you want and everything that you need on this group, you guys. They constantly post links to bomb hair, makeup, household goods, toys, clothes, you name it. The shirt that I'm wearing, I got from this group. The hair that I'm wearing, I got from the group. Half the wardrobe that you guys have seen me in filming lately have been from this group. This group has saved me so much money. So make sure that you guys check it out. I'll try to leave a direct link down below in the description box so that you guys can save some money, because you know I'm all about shopping and saving some coins, honey. We're not throwing our coins away. We're trying to slay on a budget, baby, and I will always give you the tea. So if you're not already subscribed, and if that tidbit wasn't enough to get you subscribed, hit that button right now. Thanks for rocking with me. I appreciate the time that you spend with Tiffany Baby TV. Always, you guys. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, loves. Bye, loves.